we've been here now for 12 years, and when we moved from Steve's old location down in 2010, only one employee came with us, so it was basically just the two of us. And I would say within a couple of years, we were, up to the 10 and 12. But really once we branched out and went to the Altoona store, and then when we came out here, that increased that manufacturing more and more. So I would say probably over the last 5 years, we've probably doubled where we were maybe at like 20 employees.
This was our milk chocolate machine, and then we would pull all the chocolate out of that. Well, we'd pull a pan full. So we would get like a 13 by 9 cake pan, and we would pull chocolate out of here and hand dip it. We'd sit on a stool and hand dip each piece one by one and put it on a tray. Last fall, we had to make more room for our chocolate, for our popcorn drizzling line. So we added the popcorn drizzling line and the cooling tunnel, and like we're working on getting the bagger set up now. So we had to pull this machine out and bring it to this side. So this side of the building used to be just our packaging room only. We still hand drizzle each piece. Some bigger, fancier pieces of equipment will have like what they call a stringer, and that part will be automated, and it'll drizzle its own pieces. It'll drizzle the chocolate itself.
So our ingredients, they come from all over the world. A lot of the chocolate's produced here in the United States. The chocolate bulk that comes out of Minnesota. Our sugar originally would come from the Dominican Republic and then be imported to the United States. The popcorn kernels come out of Iowa and Indiana. So after we make all of the product here in this facility, we have some delivery vehicles. We have 3 different delivery vehicles that we use to transport the goods between the stores and the different locations that we sell at. And we have a couple different delivery drivers that do that for us as well.
They do primarily e-commerce, packaging orders, fulfilling orders, doing our what we call pick lists to send items to our stores, since we do distribute everything from here to both of our locations, and as well as our storefront here in Oceanburg.
8 years ago, I applied for this job, and he was there for the interview, and I was lucky to get hired by him. Love at first sight.
We actually just got married in August. We've been married for just about 5 months now.
And then been together for 5.5 years.
Yeah.
Willy Wonka's the sweetest guy I know.